going to be showing you how to use your bias tape foot. You know, this foot in using to fix bias, okay? So if you have bought it from me or you've got it elsewhere, it usually comes like this. To come with the foot itself. Then with this, it's a set. You know, to come with this thing. And also the main foot. Okay, it comes in 3 sets. You have the bias stuff itself, this, and then this, and then this foot. See the way the foot is looking. Like one side is chopped off. Can you see? So it's like this. Okay, so when you get this, the first thing you have to do, you will have to work with your screwdriver. Don't forget, it comes in these 3 sets. This one, and this one. You see this one, you are going to be replacing it. So you have to loosen this plate that is here. So let's do that. You have to lose the plate before you start. You lose the plate. That's the first step. Is that the first step now? Shall I start like that? Okay. Shall I start like that? So you remove the screw. You know, this 2 screw. So keep your screw very well. Okay. Then next, you remove your foot. You know this foot, this working foot that came with your machine. You are going to remove it like this. You keep it. Okay, now you are going to remove the plates. You know how you remove plates now when you're cleaning your machine. Okay, so you remove the plates and you keep it aside. You don't need this again for now. You keep it aside. Okay, so the next thing you will do now, this machine is dirty. Okay, so the next thing now is for you to remove this thing, you know, this thing here. You have to remove it so that you can replace it with the one that comes with the bias maker, you get. So remove this thing. That's where the work is. It's very simple, just follow this step because it makes fixing bias very easy. You know, when you're using bias to tape neckline, you know, when you're making poo-poo, you know, for that fine and fancy look. Yeah, you have to be careful with all this your screw that you are removing. You don't want them to lose, right? So make sure you keep them safe. Anytime I loosen this thing, I always use the opportunity to clean my machine from the inside. Okay, good. You take this one out and then you just keep it aside. Like I said, you can use the opportunity to clean your machine. So you keep it aside. For now, you keep it aside, you don't need it, okay? You're going to be using the one that comes with the bias maker. Can you see? You're going to be fixing this one, okay? So just put this one. Using the same screw that you removed from the one that comes with the machine. These screws are very tiny. You have to be careful with them so that you don't lose them. If you are enjoying all my activeness on this page recently, please just click the like button. Let me know you are enjoying it, otherwise I'll just mind my business. Otherwise I'll just mind my business. But let me know if you're enjoying it. You know, recently I've been very active, so just show me some love by liking it. Anytime you see my post, always comment, like and share, please, so that I will know you are enjoying it. You know, I'm using money to buy data to be active like this, and it's just because I love you. not for anything else, not for money, you know. Facebook doesn't pay me. Okay. So just show some love by liking it and sharing it. I'm just doing it for you guys because I love you. Okay, so you screw it back. You can use the tiny screwdriver. You can see that I brought out the 3 sets of screwdriver that usually comes with the machine. So you just screw it back, screw it well. Okay, so I fixed that stuff that came with the bias maker. So the next thing you do is to face the bias maker itself. So just place it, you know, and screw it using the previous screw you remove from the machine. Okay, so we are done. You can close this place back. Good. So the next thing now is to fix this foot that comes with the bias maker. You see this foot that comes with the bias maker? So you're going to fix it. So just fix it the normal way you fix your foot. And your bias maker is ready to be used. Okay. So I'll change my thread to the color. I'm going to use navy blue. I'm going to be using navy blue to show you as an example. Okay. Like that. Change the thread up again to navy blue. Okay. So you're going to insert your bias inside here. This is very simple and easy. See the way I'm just going to twist it all around this I don't know what to call this thing, but you shall see this thing like spring that is here, like zigzag. Just fix it inside it, following the shape. You see the way I'm doing it. Then you put the mouth of the bias inside this place. Okay, so you see, you put it inside this place, then you use your pin to push it through. See the way I'm pushing it through. So see it, then it's to come out from here like this, and you see to come out like this. Okay, so you can see it now. So we'll go ahead. You can drop this on the floor if you have a clean floor like me. My floor is clean, right? Okay. Let's use this to test run it before we now use the main fabric that I want to use it for. Okay, let's be sure everything is in order so that we don't spoil our fabric. So you put your lift your foot and just lift your foot, place your fabric underneath, and yeah. Okay. So we have used this to test run it now, so you can see the way it's working. So I've used this one to test run it. I'm going to put the main fabric I want to use on it. See it, knit from inside and from outside. Okay, so this is what I'm working on. So I'm going to be using this now to finish the wings of my boo-boo. Wings. This is the neckline. You know the neckline is curved, so I'm just taking it slow and steady. Can you see the neckline? Pretty. And I'm done. So that's the end. So I'm going to show you how to unscrew your bias maker and then fix your machine back to how it used to be. Okay, so I'm done. So first I will remove my bias. Then so the rule is, before you start doing anything on your sewing machine, you want to put off the sewing machine, so that's to avoid hazard. Okay, so I will unscrew and remove the foot out. As the Ondo girl where I be, I don't want to make this thing lost, so immediately I remove it. I usually keep it back inside the leather. Okay. Then I'll remove the bias maker. Remove your bias maker and keep it. Next, you remove this thing. I think I need to consult Google and know what this thing is called, so that I will not be calling it thing. So I will call the name. So I will call the name as it should be. Okay, this is out. Always keep it like I said. Now I'm done with this. Save and sound. Save and sound. So I'll keep them. I have a place where I keep them. So now you fix your machine back in place. So this is an opportunity for you to clean your machine, you know. But I won't be doing that now. So first you fix this thing. You fix it back. I always target one hole at a time, so that, you know, when you are able to get one hole at a time, the other one will be very easy to just align. So just do one hole first. Once that is in, then you can now put the second one. So make sure you tighten your knot very well. See? Done and dusted. See, I've not put the foot. Don't forget to put your machine foot back on. So you put your machine foot back. So your machine is back in shape. Let me sew and show you. It's not going to affect your machine anyway. Let's still use this one. Can you see? So your machine is back in shape, and yeah, so that's the end of the class for today. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to tag your friends to come and see it. Don't forget to share, you know, and make sure you like it, show some love, and leave comments for me in the comment section. I love you.